All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about join sets. So join two sets. There are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. You can use the unique method that returns a new set containing all items from both sets, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. Keep only the duplicates. The intersection update method will keep only the items that are present in both sets. Keep all but not the duplicates is the symmetric difference update method will keep only elements that are not present in both sets. So with that, let's jump into our sets notebook and take a look at this. Okay, so we're inside of our sets notebook and we're going to talk about how to join two sets. So there are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. You can use the union method that returns a new set containing all items from both sets, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. So let's look at the union method first and see how it returns a new set with all the items from both sets. Okay, so let's create set one equals, and we're going to do curly brackets, and we'll do A, B, and C, which are all strings, and then we're going to do set two, which is equal to the curly brackets again, but we're going to do integers or numbers. So we'll do 1, 2, and then 3. And then I'm going to set, we're going to do set 3 equals set 1 dot union, okay, and then set 2. Okay, and then we're going to print set 3 to see what that does. Okay, and when I do that and I run this, let's see what happens. I get 1, 2, C, 3, B, A. Okay, because remember, it's unordered with sets. So sets are not ordered, they're unordered, and so they're completely random. Okay, so that's how you use the union method. Okay, now the update method inserts the items in set 2 into set 1. Okay, so the way to do this is let's just copy set 1 and set 2, and then bring it down here to our new block of code, and then I'm going to do set 1 dot update set 2. Okay, and then I'm going to print set 1. Okay, so when I run this, what do we get? I get 1, 2, C, 3, B, A. Same exact thing. Okay, and then, okay, now let's talk about the intersection update method, okay, which is going to keep only the duplicates. So this method will keep only the items that are present in both sets. Okay, so let's do that. So let's create some new sets. So we'll do X equals, and we're going to do Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay. Okay, and then we'll do Y is going to equal to, and we'll do, let's do Amazon, let's do Twitter, and let's do eBay, just for examples. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do X dot intersection underscore update Y, because this is the method, and then we're going to print X. Now, when we do that, what it's going to do is it's going to combine. It will not combine. It will keep only the duplicates. Okay? So if there are no duplicates, it's not going to show anything. However, if I do this, okay, and then I run it, it's still just going to give me set, which is fine. Okay, now we're going to talk about the intersection method, which will return a new set that only contains the items that are present in both sets. Okay, so for this, let's use the same exact code here. I'm going to highlight all this, and then I'm going to right click and copy. I'm going to paste here with Command V on the Mac, Control V on the PC. We're going to do X equals the same values, but we're going to change this to Z equals X dot intersection. Okay, and then Y. Okay, and then we will print, instead of X, we're going to print Z. Okay, so we'll run that, and we get set. Okay, and now let's talk about keep all but not the duplicates, which is symmetric difference update method, which will keep only the elements that are not present in both sets. Okay, so for this one, again, I'm going to grab all this code here and copy it with Command C or Control C on the PC, paste it down here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do X, and we'll do symmetric underscore difference underscore update Y, and then print X and see what happens. And we get Google, Twitter, Facebook, eBay, YouTube, and Amazon. Okay, so it grabs all of them. Okay, now the symmetric difference method will return a new set that contains only the elements that are present in both sets. Okay, so that are not present in both sets. Okay, so that was the example there, and that's really the gist of joining sets, is you're using these different methods to make them join together. Okay, so thanks for watching.